Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss with you regarding image carousel. In my last video, I have discussed with you about regarding Bootstrap Neighbor, how to implement it on your web page. Today we will discuss with you regarding image carousel. Let's start. So this is a code. I will show you the output. So this is a code. First I will explain the code. So here is the code of Bootstrap carousel slider. So here is a Bootstrap carousel example I have used. So here I have given a custom ID name, that is developer carousel. As you can see, you can give your custom ID name here. I have set a custom name as a developer carousel. You can set your images, Bootstrap images. I will explain you the code one by one. So for using Bootstrap carousel, you just need to add this. First you need to add this class called carousel slide and data right carousel. Then you need to mention your indicators. Then there is all other indicator listings. Here you need to set the value from 0, and you have to mention here each class is active for the first phase. Then here is the wrapper for slides, like the images which we are using in the carousel. So here you need to mention carousel in a class name. Then this is a main point. Here you need to mention div class item and you need to mention active. If you don't mention active here, the carousel will not work. I have used some images from Unsplash websites, good nature images. So as you can see, I have added some images here. Then after that, there is a left and right controls. So you can add here left and right controls here. You can use Glipsy icons for left and right symbol. You can also use FA icons if you want, or you can also use a different custom image if you want to use. If in case in some browsers the carousels FA icons or Glipsy icons will not work, it will display this text like previous and next. So please mention that. So it will be easier to users to navigate your carousels. So let's see the output. So here you can see I have created one carousel and here is the output. I have added some images here. Here we can navigate the carousels. So these are the Bootstrap right and left buttons. And this is the indicators. The image size is big, that's why it's going down. So I have done here some CSS customization. I will show you how to change this color. So you just need to open inspect element, take the pointer to that element, this one. Here as you can see I have changed the color, this custom color to green color. You can change any color if you want to change it to yellow, blue, anything you can change it from here. And you just need to copy this CSS and add it into your style file. And same thing I have done for this indicators also. I have used this as active CSS C. I have given carousel indicator as a background color, red color. So With the help of this, you can add a beautiful carousel on your web page. In my future videos, I will explain you the different types of carousel which you can add on your web page, like owl carousels. And with the help of JS, you can add a multiple images on a same frame in carousels. In my next video, I will explain you regarding bootstrap forms. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel.